So now that we have already assembled all the hardware of the quadcopter, we are ready now to the step 3, when we have to make all the connections between all the elements that we have assembled just to make the drone fly. So we'll connect, as we can see in this already assembled drone, we'll connect first the speed controllers with the motors just to transmit the required energy that is supplied by the battery. Then we'll connect the speed controller with the flight controller, because it has to send the speed controller has to receive the required signal from the flight controller. And then we also have to connect the GPS with the flight controller, because the flight controllers need to receive the required information from the GPS. And finally, we need to make the flight controller know the information we send it by the transmitter and that is received by the receiver. So we'll make all the connections between channels. We'll see it in advance later. The speed controllers to the motor. We have to be careful with the orientation of the connection. So please remember, for counterclockwise motors we need to connect them with two of the wires interchanged, and for clockwise rotation motor we need to connect them in parallel. So now remember, the red arms represents the rear part. So this is the motor number 4 and this is motor number 2. So motor number 4 rotates clockwise, so we need to connect it in parallel. So make sure they are not interchanged. And now this motor rotate counterclockwise, so they need to be interchanged. Once that we have done this, we need to attach the speed controllers to the structure in order to reduce the vibration. So for this purpose we'll use zip ties. So attach them gently to the structure and pay attention not to damage any of the wires. And you should do the same with the other 4 speed controllers.